got it set up. Got the gimbal set up. It's charging, and it has connected to my Bluetooth. It's stabilized. So I'm assuming I'm good to go, I guess. I don't know. We're going to try it out today and see how it works. Okay. Well, y'all, my camera is out of juice, so I'm using this iPad. And baby, my grandson has gotten this camera, the lens, so filthy. He got into, look at him back there. He got into some hair product that I left on the bed. It was my fault. I left it out. He got into it, and honey, we had to change clothes and everything. We were, literally ready to leave on our way out the door. So that has changed my entire plans for today. How y'all doing? It is Saturday. And I'm telling you, he really just changed everything. And so I'm not going to record much on this iPad because the quality is horrific. It is horrible. So what I'm going to do is wait until my phone charges. Because we'll go to the store tomorrow because I can't do it today. I'm just going to run out, grab him a bite to eat, and come on back and maybe start working on my Christmas tree. I'll film that. But tomorrow I got to go to the store because today I was going to get, I need new SD cards for my Canon camera. I need SD cards for that. I want to get the new Fenty makeup so I can do a review of the Fenty pressed powder, fat powder. I think it's powder foundation. I think is what it is. I want to do a review of that and some other things that I need to get. Won't be getting them today though. We'll do it tomorrow, and hopefully the weather stays good for us long enough for us to go and take care of what we need to take care of, because it was beautiful today. Sunny, cold, but sunny and beautiful. And yeah, we're not doing that. Because after having to clean this little munchkin off, we're going to look out of the window. Because you hear Grammy? You hear Grammy talking about that sweet baby? Yeah, Grammy loves that sweet baby. But he threw Grammy for a loop by getting into all of that hair product. And it was everywhere from head to toe, all over his clothes. Thankfully, I had pulled off his shoes because he was sitting in the bed, and I didn't want him sitting in the bed with his shoes on. And his shoes are suede, those, Uggs, and you know how the material Uggs. Honey, that product would have ruined those shoes. So, yeah, we'll try it again tomorrow. Yeah. Grandson's back there watching The Simpsons. Can you believe that? So I got a little juice in my phone. Yeah, but I was fully dressed. I may just put this back on tomorrow because I'm fully dressed. He's fully dressed. He's most assuredly putting that back on tomorrow. We are going to just get him a bite to eat. He loves chicken nuggets, so I'm going to get him some chicken nuggets. And he's going to go home. We're going to take that off of him. And yeah, we'll try it again tomorrow. Look at my bracelets, y'all. Y'all see my bracelets? Three are the ones that I showed you from Angel's Arm Candy. And then I have another one that I got from Amazon. I don't know if you can see it well, but I got this one from Amazon, and this I got from Nordstrom's. I think it's eye candy, maybe? I don't know. I have to look at the box, but I know I got it from Nordstrom's. But yeah, these are my arm candy for today. Yeah, I was ready, honey. I was dressed, had my new Shein dress on, had my new headband wig on, I have on some white Pumas with the blue little trim on them and a gold little Puma emblem. Honey, I was gonna be cute. I am cute, rather. And I was ready to go and, do a little shopping on this beautiful day, but I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. Y'all pray that the weather holds up. Okay, guys, this turtleneck is making it look like I have no neck. but yeah, the wig is doing good. It is doing good. I am loving this. I must get me another one because It's just always good to have an extra when you find something that you like. Because have y'all noticed that when you find something that you really like, that you really, really love, they either discontinue it or, you know, just stop having it available? Have you noticed that? Oh, frustrating. Oh, Lord, these people at these drive-thrus, honey. Good grief. She rushed me, so I couldn't even, I was a little discombobulated. I didn't even know what I wanted. Because I hadn't been to like a drive-thru like this in God knows how long, so I didn't know. I'm one of those who really didn't know what was on the menu, and so I had to look for a second. I'm like, do y'all even have kids meals? And do you have a nugget kids meal? Whoo, y'all! It's 2021. How y'all doing today? It is Saturday. It has been a beautiful day here. Weather-wise, it's been cold. I think the high, well, we're not gonna talk about weather. It's been cold, but the sky has been beautifully blue, and it doesn't even look like the weather that they're saying we're supposed to get coming in tomorrow, because it's supposed to get snow tomorrow evening. So, but it's beautiful, I tell you. And grandson is back there watching The Simpsons. Should I not be? He probably shouldn't be watching The Simpsons. I probably need to put on something else. He really probably shouldn't be watching that. Okay, y'all. All right. Okay, he's not watching The Simpsons. He's playing a little game on the iPad, which is good. It's very good for him to play those games. It's a little kitty game. This is what I had on today. That I was going to the store, honey, in. We were going to be so cute. And I just might put this right on back on tomorrow, because I've had it on all for an hour, maybe. This is my my Shein dress, my Shein sweater dress, and I just tied I had a white little jacket that it's a little Under Armour jacket, and I just tied it around my waist for a little pizzazz. I have on my necklace, my glasses, and my Pumas, my little Pumas. So yeah. Yeah, so this is the mess that my little grandson made. He got my good Amla and Olive Heavy Cream, stuck the hairbrush in it, yep, and just destroyed it. It was way more than this in this container, so you know he was covered from head to toe. Look at this big stain. Yep. That's what happens when you leave little ones alone with hair products. Yeah.
Don't learn the law. I'm telling you, Ted. This is the great life. No rules, no responsibilities.
This is the bracelet that I was telling you guys about that you saw on my wrist. With my other bracelets, it is called Eye Candy, and I got them from these from Nordstrom. I got a couple extra because I thought maybe I might want to wear more than one, or I may be giving this away when I get to 200 subscribers. Yep, I think I might give it away. That's going to be what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it away because I do have an extra one here. So, yep. I'll be giving this nice, lovely eye candy bracelet away when I reach 200. All right, guys. So I'm getting ready to head out. I'm going to the store without grandson because I think grandson has a pink eye or allergies or something. But anyway, I'm headed out. I'm going to pick up a few things. I decided to not wear the same thing I had on yesterday. And so I put on a little something else. Yeah, but I got to make this quick because It's Wild Card Sunday, and I'm gonna watch me a good old football game. Okay, so I'll be back in a little bit. All right, bye-bye. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna try to use my gimbal today. I need to go back inside and get it because I think I left it inside. But yeah, I'm gonna try to use my gimbal. So y'all tell me if you notice any difference in the camera movement and things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. And pull those off. Put on some shades because we do have a little sun, but yeah, they say it's supposed to start snowing about 2 or 3. So I need to hurry. It is 11:37. Yeah, I got caught up watching Pastor Brian Carter on Concord Church, Dallas. Always a good word. Always a good word, honey, to start your day. But anyway, I'll be right back. Let me go get my gimbal. Got it. Okay, so this is the plan. I gotta go to Sephora. I need to run in Ulta, I think, and I need to go to Walmart. Sephora and Ulta, I'll be okay. It's that Walmart abyss that I'm concerned about, because you know how it is when you go in Walmart. Y'all wish me luck. Yeah, so part of my storage solution stuff that I ordered from Amazon didn't get sent. I guess got canceled. I guess out of stock or whatever. But at any rate, I am going to have to buy something here in town. You know, it is a good day, y'all. It's a good day. It's a good day, and I hope it has started off as a good day for you guys, because you know what? If we are here, honey, we got to find something to be thankful for. Sometimes it's not easy, but we got to do it. We got to do it. So my prayer is that everybody who is going through right now can find some joy and peace in their lives. I really pray that for you. I pray that earnestly for you, that you can find joy, peace, and be uplifted so that you can enjoy this day. But anyway, y'all, let's get on this road and let's see how we can go. What y'all doing today on this beautiful Sunday? I hope it's something great for you. All right, guys. Well, I've arrived at the mall and we are headed into Sephora. Y'all, it has been so long since I've been to this mall. It's literally been over a year. I mean, I kind of forgot what it looked like inside, but it's very few people inside today. So I don't know if that's a bad or a good thing. I see a lot of clearance signs like it's going out of business. None in Sephora though. But anyway, I came in here specifically to get the Fenty Beauty, the new powder foundation. But since I'm here, I might as well pick up a couple other things. So I think I'm gonna get some of the setting powder and a couple other things that they have here. And now I'm just looking around, trying to see if I see, if I can find the foundation, the powder foundation. I see everything but that. I see the eyeshadows and the Sunstalker bronzers and everything else but that. I guess I'm gonna have to ask for assistance. I guess I didn't find, I passed right by them, I guess. I did pass right by them. Listen, do you have the Fenty, the powder foundation?
No, we're assuming like mid-February since Valentine's Day is coming.
I love your
But-
headband. That is gorgeous.
Oh, thank
So
you.
pretty.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll just look around some more and see what else I can find. Thank you. Okay. Brushes. How many more brushes? Let's see. Precision crease brush. I'm due for some new brushes. Let's see what else do we have. I got some stuff on sale. Woohoo. Let's see. That's also, you know, I love a good clearance now. Everlasting lip liner. Let's see if there's a pretty color. I don't like any of those. No, you don't have my Fenty foundation, powder foundation, and the powder. So I'm going to have to order it. But I ended up getting some goodies. They got some stuff on clearance. So guys, if you can get out to your local, to your Sephora, or even check online, they have some things on clearance. You know I love a good sale. So guys, got what I needed, and I am headed out. So what do y'all think about this gimbal? What I am noticing is that no matter how I move, it is like smoothly moving with me. So that is pretty cool. I'm liking that a lot. Yeah. So it's pretty good. You know, I thought I was going to feel kind of awkward filming, but you know what? I don't. I'm okay with that. I'm okay filming. Here we are. This is my bag. I got a big bag. Big bag from Sephora. Got some nice stuff. I'll do a haul later when I get home. But now I need to go into can't think right now. I need to go into Ulta. And then I need to go to Walmart. And what time is it? Whew. Okay, guys. So what was really interesting with the gimbal is, so let me just show you. Yeah, see how this just moves? And I'm like, how in the heck is this going to, you know, work? It's going to be moving all around. Once you pair it and you turn it on, it's like instantly stabilizes your device. And so it stabilizes it and it moves ever so gently, you know, so that you can, you know, make seamless movements. It doesn't like look all jumpy and everything. So that was pretty interesting. Yeah, and I used my tripod and everything because I was able to sit it down on top of the counter as I was getting my card out, my purse and everything. So yeah, but I did. I got some good stuff from Sephora. I got a big bag of stuff that I didn't intend to get, but I got a gift set of Sephora's favorites. And the only reason I got it is because it has some Farsali serum in there. And I wanted to try that out. But anyway, all right, guys, on to the next. So I changed my mind about going to Ulta because I need to go to Walmart. I think I'm gonna do a little in between and go to Target because I think I can get what I was gonna get out of Ulta. I can get it out of Target, and I can also get some things out of Target that I was going to get out of Walmart. So I'm gonna do that. And in Target, I haven't been in Target, I know, in a year. I haven't been in Target in at least a year. parking situation. Because I really don't like anyone parking in my car. So I'm here in Target, maxed up. Yeah, the Starbucks. Why is the smell so addictive? Jeez. I really want to try that pistachio coffee, but I don't know if I will. Should I do it? Should I resist the urge, guys? Or should I splurge? I haven't had any coffee today. Thinking. Gonna continue to think about it. So like I said, I hadn't been in this Target in about a year. I didn't know where anything was. I needed some body wash, and so I saw that raw sugar that my daughter raves about. But this is my favorite, the Dove Sensitive Skin Body Wash. It is my favorite. It works the best for me. And so I thought I'd come on in and grab me a couple of these. I like the liquid and the bar. So I got a couple of each. And I'm also going to re-up on some personal care items, some things that I was running low on. My daddy always said, never get to the place where you have 0 items in your storage. So I'm going to do that, pick up some immune therapy, vitamin C, and you also need your vitamin D, guys. Crazy. You know what smells good, guys? This soap and glow. Oh my gosh. They have body butter. This gorgeous body butter. It smells so good. It smells so good. I like this body butter. I may get this one as the last one, but you know what? You gotta always check the last one because it may have been open. And it has been. Guess I want to get in there. They have this one, Soap and Glory Righteous Body Butter Lotion. And I also got this. So I think I'll try one of these. And I'm going to grab one from the back because, you know, people are just disgusting. And they will open items and use them. Yeah, I think that's it. I've had enough of Target. Yeah, I almost forgot the major thing that I needed. Oh my goodness. How could I forget that? I need coffee. Let's see what I have. The one that I like. Most of the time because, you know, I lay off the caffeine. And I think I'm going to try one of these. Look at these. So I'm done in Target. I'm looking for my hand sanitizer. But yes, I'm done in Target. Straighten this up. Is that better? And I think I got everything I needed. I was gonna get my facial cleanser and look at some of those things, health and beauty products like the Soap and Glory and all that at Ulta, because they usually have it. But I remembered Target is right here. And so I said, well, let me just run in Target and I can kill two birds with one stone. Get the stuff I wanted to get out of Walmart, out of Target. So, yeah. And I wanted to see what it would be like. I want to have some footage where I can compare the gimbal footage with the non-gimbal footage, and just to see, you know, what it looks like. So, yeah. All right. So, guys, that is that. I'm going to head home and see what my folks are doing, because it is, what time is it? 1:30, and I think it says ice. So 1:30 and icy. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right. Sorry about that yellow light, guys, but this is what we're doing. This is our Sunday night. Getting a little football in. Yes, that tree is still up. You know, I'm waiting on my storage solutions. Where are my storage solutions? This is what we're doing. This is our Sunday night. You know, this is what we do. We're a football family. And this is what grandson's doing. His mommy had a photo shoot out of town this weekend, so he stayed with us. Yep. I realized I did not show you all what I got. I went to a local restaurant and got boudin balls. They probably don't look as yummy as they did when I bought. But I got boudin balls, which are delicious, with some kind of little spicy mayo type of horseradish dressing. And I also got boom boom shrimp. I'm not gonna even try to open it. Boom boom shrimp. It's hard to do with one hand. I got corn grits, and I also had some bread pudding in the fridge. And that's what we had for din. But my hubby, who's over here making nuggets for the grand, a really yummy soup that is a family fave. Everybody loves that. We have grandson's little table and chair in here, because that's what he likes to sit at his table and play. And of course, as I showed you earlier, we are watching this playoff game. Yeah. Looking good. So now let's talk about what I got at the store. Let me go over what I got. It's still so bright in here. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, so guys, let me show you what I got. Okay. Whew. Guys, I'm gonna show you my Sephora haul. I'm laying in my bed while the peeps are up in there. Okay, so first I got some new Fenty foundation. Put my glasses on so I can give you the right names of these things. I got my new Fenty foundation. This is a re-up. I ran out of my 410, and so I just re-upped on that. Got me the Pro Filter foundation. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I got it in the color 410, and that's the color that I always get. So I'll open it so you can see what the bottle looks like. But you've seen the bottle, and you probably wear it, so you all know what what this foundation is. Can't get it open. They're in there counting. My grandson, that's major for us. So we're very proud of him. But this is my makeup. Okay, I got my powder, my Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the color Honey. You've seen me use this before as well. I use this on my, set my under eye powder. I really do like it. So I had the small size previously because I didn't know if I was gonna like it, but I actually love it. So I went ahead and got the full size, and that's this. I don't know if you can see that. In the shade Honey, and this is my setting powder, and it comes with a little sponge. I mean, not a sponge, but a little thing that you cover your powder so that you can get out just enough. So there you go. Alrighty, so that's that. Or this might be something that I can pour powder in. I don't know. I have to read more on that. The small ones didn't come with that, so I don't know. But anyway, I got that. What else did I get for Fenty? I got another gloss bomb. That Fenty has a lot of different colors. So I got in the gloss bomb. You saw me in one of my Vlogmas videos where I re-upped on the Fenty gloss bomb and the you know, the first color that she came out with. Well, I got this color, which is called Hot Chocolate, and it looks so pretty. It's got like, can you see the like the sparkles in it? It is so pretty, and it's called Hot Chocolate. So I'm really anxious. I put a little bit on. Oh, it smells. Oh, it smells so good. I like that. So yeah, this is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Hot Chocolate. Hot chocolate, hot chocolate. I got some more Clinique Take the Day Off because I was out. And the girl at the counter told me there is a brand that is pretty much as good as this one, and it's $10. And I cannot remember what she said it was. But I'm going to go on Sephora's webpage and look for cleansing balms and see if something pops up that's $10. And when I find out what it is, I'll let you guys know. Because I want to try that. Because this is kind of pricey. It's $20-something. I'll put the price on the screen, but it's kind of pricey for this. For a cleansing balm. For makeup remover balm. Okay, I also bought, I got a new brush. This is just a Sephora brow brush because I just needed another one. So it has the spoolie on one end and then the little thin angle brush on the other end. So that's that. And then I got this Sephora Favorites. I've already opened it, but I got this Sephora Favorites box. It was on clearance. I want to say $20, $25, $26, something like that. And so it has in it, it has the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. It's a long name. It has the Farsali Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. And that's what I really was wanting to try out, the Farsali, because I understand their products are really good from what I've heard. Never tried them. From what I've heard, they're really good. So I'm hoping to try them and see what they're like. I also got the Huda Beauty, a full-size Lifeliner Duo Eyeliner Pencil and Liquid in Very Vanta, which is extreme black. So I got that full-size pencil. It is in there. And I also got the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer and the Velour Beauty full-size, the hashtag LOTD collection in Caption This. And those are in there. And then I got Youth to the People Kombucha plus 11% AHA Exfoliation Power Toner. So that's what I got. The Velour, I was about to say, those are lashes. So this is what's inside. And so on the front, I didn't know if I showed you, but that's what you get, those items. And then open it up, and that's what's inside. The velour lashes, the full-size Huda Beauty pencil, the Briogeo scalp revitalizer or revival shampoo, the which one is this? This is the kombucha plus 11% AHA exfoliation power toner. And this is the Fasali. It's a little bitty container, but it's like a sample size of the Fasali primer. And then the Milk Hydro Grip primer. So, $26 for that. Can't wait to try those out. See if it's something that I want to get the full size of. And as my point perk, my gift or whatever, I got the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer all in one. And I got it in the shade Skin, I think is what she said this was. I think this was in the shade Skin. So I don't know if I'll use that as a highlighter or concealer or just what, but I'll let you know how that works too. So that's what I got from, is that all I got from Sephora? Yep, that's it. So I'll put all this back. And, all right, and then just at Target, I just got some re-ups of some things that I needed. So I got my facial cleanser, because you know this is what I use. I've been using this now for over 20 years. I started using it when my husband and I got married, and I noticed that he had this. And I can't even remember what I was using before this. I probably was still trying to figure out what I liked. I think I probably was using like an Olay or something at that time, because I know I had started using that. But I got this. I started using what he had in the medicine cabinet. I was like, oh wow, I love this, and I've been using it ever since. Have not changed. Hey, I'm like, if you find something that works, why? For what reason would I change? So this has been doing its job. This is the Clean and Clear Foam and Facial Cleanser, the oil-free, just the original, not the Morning Burst, because that kind of breaks me out, but just the original, the plain Clean and Clear oil-free facial cleanser. So I just got that. I got some more deodorant. I've been wearing Suave since I was 18. And again, why change? If it works, honey, it works. And this works for me. Haven't had any problems. And it's cheap. So I just re-upped on that. And I got me some Soap and Glory, the Righteous Butter body lotion. I love this brand. I love the way it smells. I used to keep the little round little creams in my purse to keep my hands. Oh, this is amazing. And it smells so clean. I wanted to get the big jar of the cream, but it was opened, and you could tell that someone had been using it or something. Oh, it smells so clean. And can you guys see how just moisturized my hands look now? I mean, it's amazing. Oh, it feels so soft. I can't wait to get out of the shower and put some on. So I got this. That is Soap and Glory's The Righteous Butter Body Lotion. And what else did I get? Oh, I got my body wash. I only use one kind of soap and body wash because my skin is very sensitive. And so I have to make sure that I use something that's not going to irritate me. And so this is what I use. Dove Sensitive Skin Body Wash. I love this. I will use it either in this, the bottle, or the liquid, or the bar. So, and I actually did get the bar, but my tripod is sitting on that package of soaps. Y'all hear my grandson in there? He is really, really doing it. But anyway, that's, I think that is everything I got. I stopped by and got us a bite to eat from Walk-Ons, which is a local restaurant. It was Drew Brees, quarterback for the New Orleans Saints, brought it here. And so I stopped there and got some little goodies for Din Din. And yeah, that's it. So, yep, I'm gonna end this vlog for tonight. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna hopefully get some work done. It's snowing outside, so we live out, so traffic is pretty bad. Well, driving in those conditions here is not the best idea. So we will be in tomorrow. My husband's not even going in to work because they've shut campus down, because we don't want students to try to come in from, the surrounding areas, and, traffic may be bad. So we'll just spend a snow day at home, or it may not even be snowing. It may just be cold. It wouldn't surprise me. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good night, okay? All right. Hey y'all, I am so exhausted. I'm about to get in the shower, but I'm just so in love with this hot chocolate. Chocolate Fenty. I am loving it. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. It's like, in the bottle it looks super brown, but you put it on and it is just as sheer and beautiful, and it has little flecks of like glitter in it. It's really, really pretty. I don't know if you can really tell what it looks like, but it is, I'm okay. Fenty, I love this hot chocolate. Y'all get you some of the Gloss Bomb in the hot chocolate. All right, I'm gonna get in the shower. I am tired. Oh yeah, I put this up in a pony. This is that wig. So I like that it can go up in a pony, or even a bun, maybe even, if I wanted to put it up in a bun. But I just put it up in a pony. Gonna get me a shower. All right, guys. Good morning, y'all. So apparently, it did snow last night. Well, it was snowing before I went to bed. So it started snowing. It was just dark, and we didn't know it was snowing. And as you know, snow is quiet, so we didn't hear it. I'm trying to put my gloves on so I can go out here and get a vlog of some of this before it all melts, because it'll be gone probably by later this morning, by noon. Okay, but anyway, come on with me. In the deep south where we are, snow is not something that we see a lot of, but it's really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. But it's not gonna stick and it's not gonna last. But I'm gonna get a picture of it before it goes away. Still snowing a little bit. So, this is our little winter storm here in the South. I love it. It's beautiful. I hope my grandson wakes up in time to see it before it all melts. We're still moving. Streets are pretty clean, which is good. It just, it wasn't cold enough leading up to this for this to last. And we didn't get like what we normally get, which I was surprised. Normally, it starts off as rain, and then we have sleet and freezing rain. And that's what really makes for bad situations because that ice on the roads. And then on top of the ice is when we get the snow on top of the ice, which will really, down power lines, and tree limbs are heavy with the weight of the ice and the snow. So this time, none of that. It didn't rain at all yesterday. It just, over here, look at the pines. We have a lot of pine trees around our house. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at the snow on the pines. Is that the name of a movie? Snow on Pines? If so, here's a shot of it. Snow on Pines. Beautiful. All right, guys. Good morning. Time for coffee. I'm gonna mix my half calf with my king cake, Mardi Gras king cake flavor, and get my morning started. You have snow where you are, because as you saw on my earlier clips, we got a nice little snowfall over the night, and it's beautiful. So I'm going to just enjoy this morning. So I got one of my storage solutions. I think this is just the tree bag, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's the tree bag, and yeah, it's the large premium heavy duty rolling tree bag. So this is what we have here. My gimbal is trying to get situated, and it's okay. So that's what we have. And that's what it looks like. So that's for this tree. I'm going to get some containers, and I do have some. I think I need to get some more containers for all of the ornaments so that I can really organize everything. So, yep. This tree and all the other Christmas decor is coming down this week. And I'm gonna put up some Mardi Gras stuff. Okay. Yeah. See snow? Can you touch it? Yeah. You can touch it. Mm-hmm. Yay! Yay! This is Eli's first time being out in snow. I think it snowed. It did snow like back in 17, I think, or 18. Back in 18, he was just a few months old, so he doesn't remember that. But this time, this is his first time seeing snow. Well, loves, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed spending some time with you. The next vlog will be this Saturday, and I hope to see you there. But before you go, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd certainly appreciate it if you did. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. You guys have a great week.